Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ISIG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a relatively tricky chart because I can see both perspectives. I can see people that are saying, wow, this chart is looking really, really bad. I mean, it made such a great move up and then this big pullback. I can also see other people saying, yeah, no, the chart looks good to me. I mean, just on Friday, the price was down here. Now all of a sudden it's, up well above where that was. So I can see middle grounds of both, but I can also see a lot of people saying, oh, I don't know. Is this good? Because it's not like it crashed, but at the same time, it is a pretty big pullback. And, I understand it is a pretty bizarre looking chart. And the level to me that really stands out is right here at $1. $1 is going to be very helpful because it's going to help us, define a couple situations. So it's almost going to act as our little dictionary. The first dictionary term that it may define is this. If the price were to come to $1, behave like that, and then go to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. On the flip side of things, if the price were to come down to this area, behave like that, and then work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a situation, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows right there. If you envision each of those as stair-steps, well, hey, now you have stair-steps progressing in the upwards direction. And, when price movements are making progress, that is a good situation. So that's what I mean by $1 is if the price can hold above $1, that means it's quote unquote making progress, which is defined as a good thing, a bullish thing. But if the price goes to $1 and then drops below it, well, that would be the price literally going back to where it was, and that being defined as, a bearish situation. So is the price making progress, quote unquote, or going back, quote unquote, to where it was? That all revolves around $1. So that's why, in my mind, it's going to be a very important level to go to keep an eye on moving forward. So let's see how the price continues to behave right around that $1 mark. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.